Tiger Woods reportedly injured in a car accident. Some pictures coming in here. Los Angeles County officers say Woods was the only person in the car extricated from this wreck with the jaws of life, as they're known as, by Los Angeles County firefighters and
Yeah.
paramedics, then transported to local hospital by ambulance for his injuries. The news chopper over the scene there getting us those pictures. The accident happening in Los Angeles shortly after 7 a.m. local time. So that'd be about 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern. Woods was involved in another serious car accident
Yeah,
more
and
than a
Carolyn,
decade
it
ago.
looks like
There is
actually some
no
of the evidence
information
that
on
they
his current
found had
condition
evidence there from
or
the
what
collision
caused
because
the
the
crash.
look
We
at
will have
this is
more
a
on the
rear
story
of
as
a
details
vehicle.
come in.
So
But
the
again,
top of the
Tiger
vehicle,
Woods
that is the
injured in a car
passenger side. That
crash.
means the
The golfer was
driver's side
pulled
is
from the vehicle
missing
using those
now.
jaws of
So
life that
obviously,
paramedics use, of course, in order to get somebody out of the vehicle safely. Looks like it came off a roadway and tumbled downward. Has been injured, transported to hospital. We do not know
Yeah.
his current state, but we will keep you posted as news comes in, developments on the golf legend.